Hi everyone, here I am to give you another update on the developments that I've been doing on the past few days. So I've been working a lot on the means to load files, basically design a file browser. If you watch a few of the videos in which I was demonstrating playing songs and that kind of stuff, you might have noticed I had a key sequence in which I have to hold the D-pad up and then reset the system while holding up. And that was very efficient for my debug reasons, but now I'm really looking to getting functionality going. So let me show you how things are working now. All right. Um, so just a refresher, and because those keys are not labeled, so this up, down, left, right, this one in the center is enter, this one is menu, and this one is exit. So when in the synthesizer mode, if I press menu, it brings up the main menu. And now I can go into VGM player and select VGM player, and look at that. It shows a list of files in the VGM folder in the SD card. So let's say those here that has these three dots going on, they are folders, and those that don't have three dots, they are actual. I guess I access this by accident. Well, anyway, here's an example of me going inside a folder. Now, if I go here and I press the menu key, it navigates back to the previous folder. And if I select this folder, which is the one that has most music, and it's gonna load everything. And this slowness into loading all those is mostly because of the screen not being a very fast screen. But at least we get functionality. And then it's now I can browse files, and I can jump using like left and right to jump between both sides of the list. If I can see here, there are two pages, so if I press here to continue paging, it's going to show the rest of the files, and it still highlights the same row as it was before, like this. So there are bounce checks. So for example, if I try to page to this side and it goes to the last file, if I press down on the last file, it warps all the way to the first one. This is more useful when you're looking at the menu such as this, and so you keep going down, 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 it goes up, down, it goes like this. But yeah, now it shows all the files, and then all you have to do is select a very nice a game with a very nice soundtrack, and then select this. Oh, I guess I select the wrong. I didn't select the folder I wanted to. Not like Crusader has great music too, but actually I wanted to go into Lightning Force. And now you just go on, select a stage that you want to play music, and then you go ahead and use this to select, and boom. Now, when you're done, okay, I listen enough music, so you go back and press exit, and that will take you back to the menu, position you in the last folder, position you in the last file that was selected. So you can continue browsing and select, okay, now I want to go with something more heavy metal. When you're done listening and head banging or whatever you wanted to do, you just have to go ahead and select exit, go back to the menu, and that's it. Then I can go back. It's going to reselect Lightning Force, which was the last one that we were in, and so on. So that's pretty much my accomplishment for this. If I'm in the file browser at any time I press exit, it will go back to the synthesizer menu. So now I'm back and I can go ahead and I play my Streets of Rage thing. Oh, more sound. Oh. Anyway. So yeah, that's it. That's how it works, and I know it's a quite simple thing, you know, a file browser. But in when you're talking about a system like this, which is MCU and Arduino, um, there isn't such thing as a file browser out of the box. You know, it's not like when you're coding for Windows and you can call the Windows API to bring in the default open file dialog from Windows, or I'm sure Mac and Linux has similar APIs to bring such things up. You know, it's something that I had to spend a bunch of time doing, but it was all that thing about cracking up the menu system. Once I cracked up the menu system, building the file browser only took me about 2 days, and yeah, I'm pretty proud of it, and it's nice, you know, to have something like this done and working. And it's gonna be useful because I have other functions in the system that will need file browsing. For example, if you have multiple sound banks in the keyboard and you want to switch to a different sound bank, I'm still figuring out how I'm gonna do the extracting instruments from VGM file. But one of my ideas is to you select a VGM file, you extract instruments from it, and it will generate you a file instrument bank. So let's say you select Sonic Green Hills, and it will select, it will extract all the instruments used in Green Hill Zone, and then you will be able to select that bank to play whatever you want with those instruments. So I will need that file browser back again to, you know, select the file, to extract instruments, to switch the bank. You know, when I want to change to a bank to another one, we'll have to browse for it. So all of those things, you know, the little things that are useful, and then obviously this is a library that whatever project in the future I'll be able to use. So it's quite exciting. That's all for now. Not much other things to show. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for your companion, and let other people know about this. And let's build a community. Let's make possible to bring this project to life in like a full plastic shell made, you know, in a factory or something like this. Anyway, well, thanks a lot again, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.